I have been using OneNote to create notes for my classes. As you can see here, I have 4 different notebooks. The 2 we're going to be exploring today are EDCI and AP/AB Calculus. For EDCI, this is basically all my classes for my major, which is Education, Curriculum, and Instruction. So I have notes for 285 on the social identity wheel, which is something we talk about a lot, so I like to keep those notes with me. And then for 270, I have a few things. So when we were talking about 21st century skills, I found this article online. You can see where I clipped it from. That was really helpful. It does mention a few more than the ones we talked about. But I went through and I grouped them and they explained them really well. Made some notes here on how they're defined and how they can be used in the classroom. I also made notes on the video presentation for the 21st century skills because this is something we connect back to our case studies and what we need to address in the classroom a lot. And then for 285, this is the class that has my field experience. I made notes. I'm visiting Jeff High School. So I made notes about Jeff, how many students they have, what the diversity is like, what teacher I have, and then the days I won't be able to go to the school because of breaks. And then I also made notes about my supervising teacher. I'll be observing integrated math and the class schedule for the time I'll be there. I also wrote down so that I won't disturb class by coming in and out. Then I have my AP/AB Calc. This is something we created in high school. My entire class did it so that we would always have these notes with us. And we have a bunch of different sections over here, as you can see, that have different notes in them, different pages of things we did in Calc.